Our topic is how to create promotion extension. Okay, so now we're gonna understand over here like how to create promotion extension and where to use it in your ad copy. Okay, or what kind of brand should use this promotion extension. So for all e-commerce brands, or maybe if you're selling something, if you want to give any offers, you can give them in promotion extension. So let's understand over here like how to create a promotion and how to put this in an ad copy. You can click on this promotion extension. I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna click on this plus new promotion extension. Okay. So if you're doing it for some occasion, for example, let's say if I'm doing it for some carnival, so I'm gonna select the option over here carnival, and this carnival promotions will be shown only for from 1 Feb to 31st March. So you can decide the proper occasion. Okay, it is not compulsory to give. If you want to give, you can give the occasion. Otherwise, you can keep it blank as well. It's not compulsory to give. Let's say if I want a Mother's Day, I'm doing it for Mother's Day. Okay, so if you want, I can change the currency over here, make it INR, language by default English. Then they're gonna ask you like what kind of promotion you want to give. You want to give, let's say, a monetary discount of, let's say, 100 rupees. Okay, or you want to give a percent discount, 10% off, or you want to give up to monetary discount, basically like up to 100 rupees off, like not flat 100, up to 100 rupees off, or you can go for up to percent discount, that is basically up to 10% off, depends upon your order. Okay, so for example, I'll go with, let's say, percent discount. Okay, and item, let's say, for I can write over here shoes. You can give the final URL. This URL should be your, let's say, product URL from your website. Okay, so as of now I'm going to take the URL from Amazon, so I can go to amazon.in. Okay, so I'm going to type over here shoes. For example, let's say I want to do a marketing for this shoes. I'm talking about this product, so this is the landing page of this product. So I'm going to copy the URL, Control C, go back to the platform, copy the URL over here, paste the URL over here. Okay, if you want to give any promotional details, for example, you want to add some more conditions over here, like on orders over 1,000 rupees you're gonna get flat 10% discount, or if you want, you can use a promo code as well over here. You can decide the promo code. For example, let's say Mother's Day, right? So I can put over here Mother Day. That's a promo code. Okay, but or you can decide your own promo code, whatever you feel like. Okay, and then you can give a start and end date for the offer. So you can choose a date over here. For example, let's say if I select a date, let's say 1st August. 1 minute. Let's say if I select 31st August, and end date would be, let's say, 31st October. Okay, then you can save this and you can check the preview as well. So again, you can see in your mobile phone, this will look like Mother's Day special offer, 10% off on shoes, code Mother's Day, valid from this date to this date. You can check it for your desktop as well. In desktop, it's gonna be shown in this format, and when somebody click on this, they're gonna go to your website. Okay, so I hope this is clear. This is all about your promotion extension. Okay, I hope this is you have understood it completely. Thank you so much.